morning to all of you. Today I am Himakshu Pathak of grade 7B with my classmate. Welcome you all to our today's digital assembly. Our theme is channelize energy. No day can start without remembering the Almighty God. So for the Hindi prayer, here comes Arjun Dhillon.
Good morning to one and all present over here. Today, I Arjun Taylor of 7B is here to sing the Hindi prayer. रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम मुख में तुलसी घाट में राम जब बोलो तब सीताराम मुख में तुलसी घाट में राम जब बोलो तब सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम.
Fulfill our duty. So for the pledge,
Here's my
here
country
comes
and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai
vision of
Hind.
the school is the mission of the school. So for the vision, here comes
I
Madhya.
am Madhya. I study in 7th class. My school name is Sadhan Progressive School. Today I am doing assembly of vision to include moral and ethical value among the students along with admitting education with an all-round qualitative development with particular knowledge. Deep-rooted value system by providing modern and the nation to serve the large movement of
And
the nation.
inspiring thought, here comes
Thought
Garvita.
of the day is do not let your hurt and anger go waste rather than channelize them towards your success. I want to repeat my thought. Do not let your hurt and anger go waste rather than channelize them towards
To
your success.
increase your vocabulary with 2 new words, here comes Priyanshi.
A very warm and cheerful morning to all. Today I, Priyanshi Arya from class 7B, going to add 2 new words in your word dictionary. So let's begin. My first word is empathy. Meaning of the word empathy is the ability to imagine another person's feelings and to understand his her mood. Example for the word empathy is you might sometimes start to blush. My second word is uncertainty. Meaning of the word uncertainty is lack of sureness about someone or something. Example for the word uncertainty is when the economy is going bad and causing everyone to worry what will happen next. Thank you and have a nice day.
With our melodious English poem, here comes Aradhya Goswami.
Good morning, everyone. I, Aradhya Goswami of grade 7B, is here to recite a poem in front of you, and the topic of my poem is channelize energy. As once the winged energy of delight carried you over childhood's dark abysses, now beyond your own life build a great arches of unimagined bridges. Wonder happen if we can succeed throughout the passing hardest danger. But only in a bright and purely granted achievement we can realize the wonder.
To guide
Thank
you and to tell more about today's theme, here comes our class teacher, Mrs.
Good
Maya.
morning students, I am Maya Gurani, the class teacher of 7B, here before you with the theme of channelizing energy. So students, channelizing means to do something creative or to arrange things. If you are experiencing any of the disturbance inside, anger or the irritation, so all of that is a energy. So immediately use this a trigger accomplish some task. Some task like be it the cleaning or writing, it must be something creative. And it is also a kind of a therapy. When you use your energy to a right direction or wisely, instead of dissipating the meaningless conversation, so what will happen? It will give you a best result. Emotions are to be treated like a tool or the servant. When you will do this, then it will remind you that what need to do and it will also guide you. So whenever there is a feeling rises, so use it as a blessing from divine, because they have come to teach you something. So whenever there is a surge of energy in the form of anger, irritation, love, so use it and do some work. Everything comes down with a surrender. When you surrender, then you come to know that what is happening is all for your growth. And it also clean your subconsciousness. Even a storm does not come without a purpose. The storm, sometimes it comes to remove the source, to clean the source of a sea. Let's take an example of a tree. A growing tree also has energy, and the gardener, he plays a very important role to channelize the energy of a tree by pruning the branches of a tree. In this way, the growing tree will get a shape and it will look more beautiful. How we can channelize the energy? By three methods we can channelize our energy. First method is that we can do yoga, exercise and avoid distraction. And second, we can arrange or we can plan something. And third, we can overcome by our laziness. In this way, we can channelize our energy to a right direction. Thank you. Have a nice day.
National anthem is the honor of our country.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा रावण उच्चल गंगा विंजल माचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तिरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाए तब जय गाता जब जनगण मन अधिनायक जय